Samsung plans to release a slimmer version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for the Asian market. However, it will be called Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This is the first look Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. As you can see, the design is very similar overall to that of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Legendary leak star Evan Blass revealed that the device will have 4.9mm thick when unfolded and 10.6mm thick when folded. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim may feature a titanium backplate. It is also said to sport an 8-inch internal display and a 6.5-inch external display, spelling a slight upgrade over the Galaxy Z Fold S 7.6-inch internal and 6.3-inch external screens. Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition also support S Pen. It will also have a better camera, as the leakster Evan Blass revealed the new foldable will sport a 200MP main sensor. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera may also be retained. The Z Fold 6 Slim may sport a 5-megapixel front camera on the main display. However, the cover display camera is speculated to be the same 10-megapixel sensor. According to a report by the South Korean publication Chosen Daily, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will launch on September 25th in South Korea at a rumored equivalent of around $2,100 in South Korea. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.